Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be going over the formative number 2 on explanations. All right, so here we have a platform lifting a person up, so we're definitely going to have a force push. All right, if you also said the normal force, I'm okay with that too, because technically it's a surface pushing it up. So we got our force push, all right, and there's an upward force of the platform, all right, and it's the same weight as the person, so that's going to be our force of gravity. All right, are there any other forces acting on our object in the x direction? No. All right, so then force push minus my force of gravity. All right, and again, I'm fine if you put normal force here too. Okay, so the claim is, what is the direction of the person's acceleration and their velocity? So it's kind of similar to my first problem. I want to end at velocity at the end of the day. I'll get to acceleration while I'm doing that. Okay, so, and this is please type a response from remote learning. What I know out of acceleration, net force, relevant forces, and velocity is my relevant forces, right? I know force push and force gravity, and I know that they're the same, right? And that the weight's force of gravity. So I'm going to start with that. My force push is equal to the force of gravity. So then what does that mean? We have to know that relevant forces, this is physics concept 1 on page 3, cause the net force. So if they're equal to each other, my net force is 0. They cancel out, all right? Well, then if my net force is 0, what does that mean? Well, that leads to acceleration. Then acceleration is also 0. And so that I could at least make the first part of my claim. My acceleration is 0. All right. Well, so what does that mean? Does it mean the object's at rest? Well, no, because as the person's moving up, right? So we know that that initial velocity, right? Initial velocity is upwards and acceleration is 0. So if that's the case, moving upwards and there's no acceleration, no change in velocity, all right, the platform moves at a constant speed.